All right, so here we are. We're going to be installing some new handles onto the door because it looks like they were forgotten to be put on when we first got the house. So we're installing it after the fact. And it's a pretty simple process, but it's a little involved. You have to, the hardest part I feel like is finding the right place to drill and getting it perfectly straight. So you want to use a leveler and, use a pencil to basically draw exactly, so it's straight and how to get it perfect or, just right. So the handle looks, what's the right word? Balanced, I guess you can say. I'll leave the handyman that we used in the description below. So if you are interested to use the same builder we used, feel free to look in the description. So here we go. We made the pencil mark for where the handle is supposed to be placed. Note here, you don't want to tighten all the way because you want to be able to swivel the handle. You'll still be able, you'll still need to move it a little bit. So that's key. That's very important. Don't over tighten. And then you drill the second hole. Perfect. Thank you. Looks great. And then you tighten. So you tighten the top one, which is the second one, and then you retighten the bottom so it's nice and snug. Now the key point, and this is a little tip, do not over tighten. There's no need to over tighten. So if you're using one of these drills, or these, I don't know what you call these things, these drill screwdrivers, as soon as it kind of clicks, you just stop. You don't want to over tighten. That's a little tip. All right, any questions, just leave it in the comments below. I think this video should hopefully help somebody, and have a great day. Have a positive day. Thank you.